So that's Sarah. That's a great question. How do you know if you have a personal injury case? And we get that a lot. Now we can't take every case because people call in with fact patterns, excuse me, and they may or may not be a viable case. Now there's two issues that we examine when we're talking to somebody. Can we prove liability, and do you have the damages to support the liability? So you can ultimately get either a settlement or a verdict. So, so that's a function. So is liability clear? Okay, from there we go to, damages. Are you at fault? The buck stops there. You don't have a case. Is there a question of liability? Well, if we're going to fight liability, we can't fight on damages. So you have to have big damages to be able to fight the liability. So it really depends. Now, if you broke your finger, you broke your pinky, and there's no insurance, nothing there. If you got a paper cut, that's not a case. A lot of slip and falls are not cases because there's different protections in the law. A lot of med mal aren't cases because the doctors are protected in our law. So generally, to answer this question, you just need to give us a call. We give you a free consultation. We'll go through all the pros and cons of what we think. You'll talk to Sarah or I or one of my other attorneys. We'll be able to give you the answer that you need. And we're not going to bullshit you. We're going to tell you have a case or not. And if it's a case, hopefully you'll choose us and we'll be able to help you to the finish line. Give us a call at 843-839-4111. And of course, follow us on YouTube and anywhere that you consume your social media.